Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.